Are you trying to upstage me right now in my own video, Shimo? A2 Shimo? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Yeah. He's such a diva. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking all about co-washing. Now when it comes to the curly girl method or just wearing my hair in its natural state, I don't have too much experience overall. I just like to make fun videos where I'm experimenting with my hair and see where it takes me. And I just think it'd be cool if other people would join along and see what I've experienced, and maybe what I've experienced can help them too. But when it comes to co-washing, your girl knows all about co-washing, or at least I think I do. I've been a co-washer for about 7+ years now. Even before I tried wearing my hair in its wavy curly state, whenever I blow dried it and straightened it or would use a curling wand on it, I was an avid co-washer. I still am. I'm a big supporter of co-washing, but it is kind of a learning curve. I know that a lot of wavies struggle with co-washing to the point that they just give up on it altogether. And at the end of the day, co-washing just might not be for you. It's not for everyone, and that's understandable. But if this girl who has fine, low-density hair can learn to love co-washing, then hopefully the tricks that I've learned along the way can help you as well. So if you want to give co-washing a second chance and you are interested in watching this video, then continue watching. Alright, so first things first, whenever I'm looking for a co-wash to use on my hair, I only buy products that are labeled as co-washes. I do not use just any ordinary conditioner on my hair. I use a product that has been formulated to be a cleansing conditioner for your hair. This means that I don't just go out and use the same conditioner that I would use on my hair after I shampoo. I purchase products from the store that are labeled as co-washes or cleansing conditioners. The reason I do this is because although a co-wash is technically a conditioner, it will have very mild surfactants inside of it to gently cleanse the hair. So for me, if I were to use just a normal conditioner, I'd probably have to clarify my hair much faster than if I were to use a co-wash. So number 2 would be to concentrate on your scalp and use your fingertips to scrub your scalp when you're using your cleansing conditioner. I feel like there's a big misconception with co-washing. If you were to use it, you'd think, oh, it's going to be much faster to clean my hair this time versus using a shampoo and then having to use a conditioner. Co-washing actually takes me a longer time than it would if I were to clarify. And that's because it's not a harsh cleanser. You need to give it a little bit of time to work its magic on your hair and on your scalp. I make sure to evenly distribute the product throughout my hair at first, but once I do that, I go in with my fingertips and I only concentrate on the scalp for a good couple of minutes, and I'm just scrubbing my scalp as if I were using a normal shampoo on it. And the reason I do this is because I want to lift my hair off of my scalp so I can get the product evenly distributed throughout my hair. And that is the third trick that I have whenever I'm co-washing. You want to make sure your hair is lifted off of your scalp, that it's not sticking on your scalp at all, because that co-wash needs to get in all the little nooks and crannies in order to gently lift away the dirt and a little bit of the buildup or product off of your hair. That is probably one of the biggest things I say you have to do when you are co-washing your hair. You want to make sure your hands go into your hair, make sure your hair is lifted off of your scalp, and you're going to massage or scrub your hair the same way as if you were washing your hair with shampoo. You want to turn off your water so you're not wasting water, and you want to just focus on getting that product distributed throughout your scalp. You can use one of the silicone scalp massagers that you can pretty much find anywhere, and you can use that on your scalp if you want. I don't use that product when I'm clarifying. I only do it when I'm co-washing because it's going to really help get that product everywhere. The fourth thing that is utterly important, if you take anything away from this video, please remember this part. This is the most important part of co-washing in my opinion. The fourth thing that you have to do when co-washing is you need to rinse the product out completely. At least off your scalp anyway. If you have thick, coarse hair, I can't attest to that necessarily, but for someone with fine, low density hair, I cannot keep any of that co-wash on my hair at all whatsoever. And so this is what I mean by saying that co-washing takes a longer time, in my opinion, than clarifying with a shampoo and a conditioner. Rinsing your hair for that long is so important in my opinion because a lot of scalp issues come from not rinsing their co-wash out. And the way I know that my hair has been completely rinsed out from a co-wash is whenever it no longer has slip to it. And just like whenever you are in the act of cleansing your hair, when it comes to lifting your hair off of the scalp, making sure you get everywhere in all the nooks and crannies, you need to do that when you're rinsing your hair as well. I always make sure to go in with my hands. I kind of use my hands as a pick in a way. I will put all of my hands into my hair and I'll make sure to lift it off of my scalp so that the water can go in and rinse that co-wash out. Like if you think you're done rinsing, rinse a little longer. And that's my biggest piece of advice I can give with co-washing. You have to rinse your hair thoroughly. Okay, so my last trick with co-washing, number 5, is to use more product than you think you need. If you think you're using enough product, use a little more. You want to use a large amount of product just to give you a sufficient slip factor for your hair so you're not tugging at your hair and pulling it, causing breakage, and also so that you have enough product that it goes all over your scalp, underneath the hair, and to gently cleanse the scalp that way. So if you have tried co-washing or you're new to co-washing and you're not getting the results that you want, then maybe try out a couple of these tips and tricks that I've provided. Hopefully that can help you. These are the things that I do for my hair every single time I co-wash, and I always make sure to give myself plenty of time when I'm co-washing just so the product can do its job. And if you have done these tricks before, or if you end up doing these tricks that I've provided and it doesn't work out for you, then I'm sorry, it hasn't worked out. Maybe co-washing just isn't for you and your scalp, but it is incredibly important to know how to co-wash correctly just so you don't develop scalp issues later on down the road, which none of us want. It's horrible. Let's just not go there, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it wasn't too long or talkative for you. If you did like it, please hit that like button down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more content from me. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are in this world, and I will talk to you later. Bye!